If you're wondering how to export audio in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to save your project as an MP3 or WAV file step by step so you can get your audio exported correctly and ready to use. Whether you're making a podcast, editing voice audio, or finishing a music project, this is one of the most important final steps in Audacity. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Audacity and make sure everything sounds the way you want it to. Before exporting, it's always a good idea to listen through one last time and check your levels, trims, and edits. Once you're happy with the final result, go to the File menu at the top of the screen. This is where Audacity keeps all of its saving and exporting options. After clicking File, hover over Export Audio. When you do that, Audacity will show you the export options available for your project. This is where you choose the format you want to save in. For most users, the two most common choices are MP3 and WAV. If you want a smaller file size for sharing online, choose MP3 files. If you want a high-quality, uncompressed file, choose WAV files. The right choice depends on what you need the audio for. Once you select your format, a save window will appear. Now type a name for your file in the file name box. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you're exporting multiple versions. After that, choose where you want to save the file. You can do this by selecting the correct folder or location from the folder dropdown. This helps keep your exported audio organized so you can find it easily later. If you only want to export part of your project instead of the entire track, look for the Export Range option. This is very useful if you highlighted a section in Audacity and only want to save that specific selection. You can adjust the export range so Audacity exports only what you need instead of the full audio timeline. That can save time and help you create different versions of the same project without starting over. Now that your format is selected, your file is named, and your save location is set, all that's left to do is click Export. Audacity will process the audio and save it in the format you chose. If you picked MP3, it may ask for a few extra details depending on your version of Audacity or your system settings, but the general process stays the same. Once the export finishes, your audio file will be ready to use, upload, or share. And that's it. You've just learned how to export audio in Audacity the easy way. Now you can save your projects as MP3 or WAV files whenever you need to. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Audacity guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.